Third game asks me to put things into order, more than one thing at a time, right? So I've got these 4 bikes, F, G, H, and J, and they're tested by 2 testers on day 1 and on day 2. So I've got an organizational template that'll let me see all that information. Ronaldo can't test F, so I may as well, give myself a little visual reminder here. Yuki can't test J, same sort of visual reminder. Teresa, yeah, does test H, so I'm going to have a T in that H column somewhere, and Y and S are together in that order, like whatever Y does first, S does on the second day. Question 13, a possible assignment of riders to bicycles. In answer choice A, you don't get Ronaldo on F. Get rid of that. In answer choice B, you have to have Teresa doing H. Get rid of B. C doesn't break any rules, so it's our answer. But in answer choice D, you can't have Yuki doing bike J, so get rid of D. And in answer choice E, you gotta have Yuki and Seamus doing the same bike, where Yuki's day 1 and Seamus is day 2. Get rid of E. Question 14. If Teresa tests G on the second day. So Teresa is doing G on the second day. That means she's doing H. She has to do H. She's doing H on the first day. Now we have to have that YS, right? And it's not on J, so it's going to be here. And now we need a Y in this bottom row, and Y isn't J. So it's Y and R. And that means this isn't R. So this is R. And this will have to be S. What must be true? Yuki tests H on the second day. Yep, that's true. Question 15. Any of the following could be true except. And how are you going to get Yuki doing H on the first day? If Yuki's H on the first day, then Teresa is there. But no, Yuki's first day has to be Seamus's second day. That's not going to work. You can't do that. So that's our answer. Question 16. Cannot be true. Same thing. How are you going to put Teresa F on the second day? If Teresa is here, then that means Teresa is here. And now we have to have a YS, and they can't be on J. So it's YS. And now Teresa's got to do something second, so it'll have to be here. And then Suki is going to have to do something on the first day, but that could be either one of these places. So this will be a Ronaldo, which means then, since that's Ronaldo, that this would have to be Ronaldo. But oh, no, Ronaldo doesn't do bike F. If you start with T here, you can't get them all to fit according to the rules. You can't put T there. Question 17. If T tests J on the first day, what could be true? Okay. If T tests J on the first day, then she tests H on the second day. And now, I've got to have Y and S together, but maybe they're together on F, or maybe they're together on G. All right, I'll take them one at a time. Here, I've got to have Y on the second day, and it's not with J. It's Y, and that's R. And then I've got R and S in some order. Don't know which one goes where. If it's here, I've got to have R, and R is not with F. So R is here, and this will be Y, and this then will be S. And what were we asked? What could be true? Seamus tests H on the first day. Seamus H first day. Sure, that could be true. That leaves only question 18. What cannot be true? And how are you going to put Seamus and Teresa on G? Seamus and Teresa. And we know they're in this order because Seamus's second day is with Y's first day. So now we have to have Teresa doing her first day at H. And we have to have that YS, which is not with bike J, which means Ronaldo will have to be, somewhere back here. Y, second day, is not with J, so that's Y. And, oh, now we've hit it! Ronaldo can't test the same bike on 2 days. That will not work. That's why it's the answer. And that finishes this third game. So here's the deal with these free videos. They're intended to serve a very narrow purpose. For those times when you're wondering, why is that the right answer? You can just come here for a complete library and find out why it was the right answer. And I hope that you'll find that it was very instructive. Of course, the other part of the deal is that since LSAC publishes all of their tests along with test keys, that means that there's no barrier to entry for test prep. And you can hear the air quotes, I hope. Anybody can, and lots of people have, set up shop and call themselves test prep companies. And they've got the questions, they've got the answer keys, and they just try to explain to you why the right answer is right. And then they charge you money for it? That is wrong. I want to put a stop to it. I want to sweep the legs right out from under them. It is bad for you. It's bad for me too. So if you want to know what the right answer is and why the right answer is right, I want you to be able to come here and find it out for free without paying anybody for it. That's very different from what I do in the paid course. What I think has value about what I do is that I can tell you ahead of time what every question wants from you, what to expect from the right answer, how to formulate a right answer, and then how you can expect wrong answers to sound, so that you know before you ever open up a test book exactly what to expect. And all the practice videos that are part of the paid course are just me putting that theory into practice. It's just the rubber meeting the road. In other words, I'm going to show you, based on what we've done before, how we're going to react when it comes up next time. And that bit, knowing what to do the next time you see something, that I think is worth paying for. And if you agree, I'd love to have you in the course. And if not, that's fine too. Don't pay anybody to explain why right answers are right. Just watch these for free. Enjoy.